This is Rajkumar Shivhare of Mount Literacy School, PGT Mathematics. Today I am going to teach you Lesson 3 Matrix, some more topics on this chapter. And my topic is Transpose of a Matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? When we interchange row to column and column to row, then this is known as transpose of matrix. Now I am explaining this by an example. Let A equals to, this is a matrix of the order 2 by 3. Now its transpose is denoted by A to the power T, or you can write A dash also. So in this, what changes will occur? This first row 1, 2, 3 will convert it into first column, and the second row 4, 5, 6 will be converted into second column. So now order is changed. Here 2 by 3 is the order, but here 3 by 2 is the order. So this is called transpose of matrix. Now properties of transpose of matrix. Transpose of a matrix and again its transpose will equal to A. Now AT plus BT is equal to A plus B to the power T. If we multiply any constant into matrix, and its transpose will equal to K times of transpose of its matrix. And the fourth property is the transpose of AB is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Sometimes student may writing like A transpose into B transpose. That is wrong. Now question based on this topic is express this matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So this is the procedure. Let us consider this matrix as a matrix. First step is do the transpose of this. So this here is the transpose. Okay. Now let us consider P as another matrix which is given by half of A plus AT. A plus AT. Now put the values of A and AT. This is the value of A matrix and this is the value of its transpose. Now add these two. After adding we will get this. Multiply each element by 1 by 2, or divide each element by 2. We will get this. Now do the transpose of P, and the transpose of P is this much. We find that transpose of P and P are same matrix. So we can write matrix P is equal to its transpose. So when such condition arrive, then we can say that matrix P is a symmetric matrix. Now let us consider another matrix. Q is matrix which is given by half of A minus AT. So put the respective values. This is matrix A and this is one is its transpose. So after subtracting these two matrices, we will get this one. Now divided by 2, we will get this. This is the matrix Q, and do the transpose of this QT equal to this. Now multiply both sides by minus sign. We will get this, and this one clearly observe that this matrix is Q. So minus QT is equal to Q. So we can say that Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Now we have to add matrix P and Q, and by adding we want to know that whether it is equal to matrix A or not. Definitely it will be equal to matrix A, hence verified. So this whole procedure is used to do the question based on this. This is the question based on matrix 2 by 2. You can apply this procedure on matrix of the order 3 by 3. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.